Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to copper bottle clean full guide. Begin by rinsing the bottle with warm water and a soft cloth to remove loose debris. Next, mix a mild cleaning paste and apply it gently inside and out, scrubbing with a soft brush for tough spots. Rinse thoroughly, air dry upside down, and store with the cap off to prevent moisture buildup. For natural methods, start with a baking soda and lemon paste to lift grime without scratching the copper surface, applying gently with a cloth. For mineral buildup, pour a solution of vinegar and water, let it sit briefly, then swish and rinse thoroughly to avoid lingering acidity. For narrow openings, combine coarse salt with lemon, shake with warm water, then rinse and dry to restore shine and freshness. When stains resist, carefully soak the bottle for a short time in a mild acid solution, checking often to avoid damage. Always use a soft brush or cloth for scrubbing so you do not scratch or thin the copper surface. After cleaning, rinse completely, then buff with a microfiber cloth to bring back natural luster while preserving any desirable patina that shows the bottle's character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.